All right, so here's a tank that I'm working on right now, another tank, and it's very preliminary. I haven't added anything. I've kind of started, and I wanted to make sure it's burning good before I start. This tank originally, I had a door on it. It was actually the other way around. Actually, why do I keep saying actually? It had a door on it, and this was the bottom, and now this is the top because I want the round part on the bottom. But this is burning. I'm just putting oil in there manually, and you can see it's burning, and this is the kind of smoke I'm getting out of it. That's without any air. I've got air drawn through the oil tube down into my burn bowl. My burn bowl is just a bottom of Freon tank, which is burning off the paint right now because it's a brand new tank. I'm gonna make something a little bit better that sits on a little bit better, but I've still got to weld this up. I'm gonna make a minor adjustment because it's got to come over just a little bit more. But and then here's your exhaust. I still got to weld that in. Then out here on this side, I'll have to add the oil tanks and the airflow if I need it. But I mean, look at this. This is without even any air, without any induction air. So there's about a 1/2 inch gap around the burn bowl underneath there. And then this pipe goes down in the burn bowl about an inch, inch and a half, and it's causing its own combustion right now. So look at this simple design. A hole in the bottom. This was a gas tank too, by the way. This was a gas water heater, so it has a pipe running through it. You guys know that it's got like a 5-inch pipe running through. So there, I had to cut that out. So there's already a hole at the bottom and already a hole at the top when you take that pipe out. So very simple. Enlarge the hole on the bottom, enlarge the hole at the top, which you can do actually the same time you cut your 5-inch pipe out if you're smart, but I'm not that smart. So you could really just literally make one cut and pull your 5-inch pipe out of there, and you'd have what you need on the bottom and at the top. And then it's just a matter of adding this 2-inch pipe on there. And I've kind of done a diagram over here. Move that golf cart back, Chad. I'll show you a diagram that I did to kind of figure out where this pipe was. Okay, so over here is actually, if you just lay your hot water heater out tank on the ground, this was the bottom of this is the bottom of the tank. This is the bottom of the burn bowl. And then I laid a pipe across here, and this is the edge of my tank because it's 20 inches. So 20 from there to there. And then I just laid my pipe in here across, and I had a line drawn right here till the rain hit it. And so I could lay it out right here and know exactly where to cut the hole. And then I cut a template. Where's my template? Where's my paper template? Right here. To because I knew what my angle was. So I cut me a template so I knew how big to cut this hole right here. So literally this thing's pretty much running on its own, and of course it's burning off the foam off the tank, leftover foam after I stripped it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get you a picture of what it looks like down inside of it once this cools off, and I'll put that on YouTube as well. All right, see you guys. So here's what the bottom of the tank looks like. There's your tube. See what I mean? So here's how far it sticks out. So the burn bowl goes up inside the tank about an inch, and so I'm just barely into the bowl, which is fine. Okay. So there you go, man. Got the top, you know, on the top right here. I'm not even going to weld that all the way around because there's an 8-inch sleeve that goes around that, and honestly, I don't even think it's going to leak. So, because the exhaust will pull it in, and then, so I'm going to try it without even spending a lot of time welding that. Pretty sure it'll work. All right, see ya.